How do I use the fingerprint scanner on my iPhone 13 Pro Max?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the fingerprint scanner on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. The fingerprint scanner, also known as Touch ID, is a convenient and secure way to unlock your phone and authorize various actions. Let's dive right in and learn how to use it effectively.
Setting up Touch ID.
Before you can use the fingerprint scanner, you need to set it up. Here's how you can do that. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. 2. Scroll down and tap on Touch ID and passcode. 3. If prompted, enter your passcode. 4. Next, tap on Add a fingerprint.
Registering your fingerprint.
To ensure accurate and reliable fingerprint recognition, it's essential to register your fingerprint properly. Follow these steps. 1. Place your finger on the Home button, which is located at the bottom center of your iPhone. 2. Gently lift and rest your finger on the button repeatedly as prompted. This helps the device capture different angles and parts of your fingerprint. 3. Continue this process until the fingerprint registration is complete. You may need to adjust your finger slightly for better coverage. 4. If you wish to register additional fingerprints, tap on Add a fingerprint and repeat the process.
Unlocking and authorizing with Touch ID.
Now that you have set up your fingerprint, let's see how you can use Touch ID to unlock your iPhone and authorize various actions. 1. To unlock your iPhone, press the Home button with a registered finger. Make sure to press it gently and avoid tapping. 2. The fingerprint scanner will read your fingerprint, and if recognized, the lock screen will be bypassed, granting you access to your device. 3. You can also use Touch ID to authorize actions like making App Store purchases, unlocking secure apps, or authenticating Apple Pay transactions. 4. Whenever you encounter an action that requires authentication, simply place your registered finger on the Home button to authorize it. Congratulations! You've learned how to effectively use the fingerprint scanner on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. The Touch ID feature offers a convenient and secure way to unlock your device and authorize various actions. Now you can enjoy the benefits of quick and reliable fingerprint recognition. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.